Do you want to achieve more in less time? Want to be that super productive person you know you can be? Well, this video is for you, as I'm sharing 3 tips that will help you to achieve more in less time. Let's get right to it. Hey, it's Charelle from PropelHer, the place for unashamedly ambitious women who want to create more success in their life. Something that I get asked a lot is, how can I be more productive, more efficient, more effective? And essentially, those people are all looking to achieve more in the time they have. Unfortunately, none of us have the power to create any more time. So all we can do is use it to the best of our capabilities. This is a topic that's really close to my heart. Balancing a full-time job with PropelHer has always relied on me using my time as wisely as possible. However, recently I launched CharelleGriffith.com, where I'll be offering marketing and business support to solopreneurs. And it means I have even less time. So I knew that if I was going to be able to manage all 3, that I needed to be as super productive and as super efficient as possible. So here are my tried and tested tips to achieve more in less time. 1. Work out what is really important. It is very easy to be busy. You can be answering emails, posting on social media, researching. There are all sorts of tasks that will take up your time, but they are not moving you forward. Look at your to-do list and ask yourself, if you could only do 3 things today that would really move you forward, what would they be? Highlight them and do those first. If you are someone who is notorious at having a never-ending to-do list and don't know how to manage it, then you should check out my video, How to Prioritize and Manage Your To-Do List. I will put a link in the description below. Step 2, focus on one thing. I know you think you're a Wonder Woman, and as a woman, multitasking is what we do best, right? But multitasking is the enemy. Repeat after me, multitasking is the enemy. Multitasking only really works when one of the things you are doing doesn't really need your attention. However, we are talking about doing work, great work, that really helps you to be super successful. So you need to be concentrating and giving your all to everything you are working on. So the only way to do that is to fully focus. Step 3, batch. If you want to achieve more in less time, then batching is essential. Batching is where you do the same task over and over again within a specific amount of time. For me, this can be anything from creating and scheduling social media, writing blog posts, doing my emails, filming videos. You get the idea. The reason why batching helps you to be super efficient is because your brain isn't having to flick, it's not having to switch between one thing and another thing. Also, when a task requires you to be in the right mood, like writing blog posts for example, it is best to keep on going once you've managed to get into that mood, rather than starting from scratch all over again. And batching is super useful when your task involves a certain program. So no more flicking back and forth, just open the program, do what you've got to do, and then close it down. So to recap, my top 3 tips for achieving more in less time are: work out what's important, focus on one thing, and batch. I would love to know how you've managed to achieve more in less time. And if you have another tip that I haven't mentioned, please feel free to add that in too. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I release a new video every single Sunday. And if you would like even more PropelHer goodness, then head over to propelher.co.uk and sign up for my Monday motivational emails, which will ensure that every week you start it how you mean to go on. Bye for now.